In ZBrush, if you wanted to loft or revolve a shape, maybe you're making a bottle or a vase, there's a cool little brush called CurveLathe. Let's take a look and see how it works. To use it, I'm gonna come up here and I'm gonna select a plane. Turn on my polyframe and now I have this. I'm gonna jump out of the perspective view, hold down the shift key and snap this to be a flat front view. Let's grab the CurveLathe brush. And before I start drawing on this, I do need to make it into Polymesh 3D. Now I'm gonna come up here and on the right side of the square, I'm gonna start creating a profile of maybe a cartoon bottle of some sort. Maybe I'm making a pirate game and I need a bottle. So I'm gonna do something like this and I'm gonna come back to the center and then I'm just gonna release it. And take a look, what it's gonna do is it's gonna take my curve and revolve it or loft it into a 3D shape. What if I wanted to control the resolution of my bottle? Well, I can make my brush a little bit larger and just simply click, and that's going to control the resolution. So maybe I want a low poly bottle. What if I still want to modify this? To do that, I can go into my stroke, go into the curve settings, and in here I'm going to activate bend start, bend end, as well as lock start and lock end just to be safe. And now take a look, I can take this curve right here and I can control it and manipulate it, and that's going to in real time change the shape of my 3D object, which is really cool. You can quickly create different variations of vases. Right here you could see I'm making some kind of a missile or a bullet. I can go into a fountain and so on. Pretty much any shape you can think of, you can literally just drag them around and create them very quickly. Once you're done, simply click to bake these 3D shape in. Come to subtools, let's do split to parts. That's going to separate our shape from the plane. Now, of course, I can just hide the plane, select my shape, and take a look. Now I have this, and this is an awesome low poly base mesh. Now I can jump into ZModeler and really have some fun. Let me go to bevel and continue playing.